Hey guys, I'm doing another homemade toilet video outside, which is my grandma's house. Ow, 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 this is digging in my hands. And again, I'll show you the neighborhood, like you seen in the last video, previous video. We're gonna be flushing some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're gonna flush 9 rocks down here. No, they don't come out yet, but they didn't came out. But I think I'll do it in the last flush. Set them aside here. So I can get more room to get yeah. Gotta bring it back. So yeah. I'll let you guys hear the drain and the siphon. I'll let you hear the siphon first. So here's the siphon. And here's the drain. So I'll flush a lot of stuff. We'll flush this first. This next. And this next. Oh, don't push that, it'll clog. This next. This is a toy food pickle. And what else? And this unicorn ball. And a ball mold. Flush all that. So let's set it up in our stuff table. And then we're gonna flush it. So we'll be right back. Okay. Let's flush this. Try again. What the heck? What the heck? Alright. Alright. I just heard someone bang on the window. I don't know who it is. Alright, get back to flush. Oh, it almost took it. I'm gonna keep that just like that. Maybe it'll flush. Huh. That's interesting. Well, I'll just push it down. Alright. Time to be tough. I'll use a little bit of water to push it through just by putting it directly to the hole, drain hole. So here we go. I guess that worked well. I think it'll push the rocks out for exact time. I'll put it's not coming out. Okay. Or something else. Like this thing. I have to pause the video for a second. I'll be right back. Okay. That's someone's lawnmower, but alright, it's plugging it up. There we go. I'm gonna do something here that I'll flush chip bag down it.